Hey everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can delete your Spotify account. And yeah, before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, let's get started. So apparently, even if you will go to your Spotify app, you won't be able to delete your account. You will have to log into your account on your phone browser. So we'll just choose your phone browser, and then you will go to the search bar and type in spotify.com, and then you have this particular page open up. Then you will simply tap on this three lined icon on top right corner of your page, tap on it, and simply tap on this option called login. You can simply add your email address or username and your password, and you can just tap on the login option. Or if your account is connected with your Facebook, Apple, or Google, then you can choose one of the options. My account is created with the option called continue with Google. I will just tap on it and then choose the email address from it was created. And yeah, now I'm logged in. So what you will do is tap on this gear icon on top right corner, and you will go to this option called support, and here you can see this search bar. Tap on the search, tap delete account. Then you can just tap on this option called closing your account, deleting your account. Tap on that option, and this particular browser page will open up. There are two options given: got premium, don't have premium. So if you have any premium subscription, then you can simply tap on that option given underlined option, and if you don't have, then you can just go back and tap on this option on don't have premium in this underlined option. Tap on it, and this particular page will confirm again to reconfirm that you want to close your account, and then simply tap on this option called close account. Then you will find this another page with the information. Then you can simply tap on this continue option, and the other page will open what you need to know about. So if you are done with that, you can just tap on this I understand, and you can continue with it. So once you continue with it, you will be completing this last stage of this page, and then you can finally delete your account permanently from your Spotify app. So yeah, this is the method. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. Hope this video has given you the help that you have needed, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.